Hello viewer, my name is Asad Sadiqui. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I would like to talk to you about the Provincial Nominee Program Canada process. The Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, is a way for Canadian provinces and territories to nominate individuals for Canadian permanent residence. The process for the PNP varies depending on the province or territory. However, here is a general overview of the steps involved in the process. Research. Research the different PNP streams and the provinces, territories that offer them. Each province, territory has its own eligibility criteria and requirements. Create an express entry profile. If you want to apply through the Federal Express Entry System, you will need to create an express entry profile and provide information about your education, work experience, language skills, and other details. Apply to the province or territory. Submit an application to the province or territory where you wish to settle. Some provinces have an online application, some have paper-based application. Nomination. If the province or territory nominates you, they will send you a nomination certificate. Submit an application for permanent residence. Once you have a nomination, you can submit an application for Canadian permanent residence to the Government of Canada. Provide biometric information and documents. You will be required to provide biometric information such as fingerprints and photographs. And also other required documents such as police clearance certificate, medical examination, etc. Interview. You may be required to attend an interview with an immigration officer. Decision. The Government of Canada will review your application and make a decision on your permanent residence application. Confirmation of permanent residence, COPR. If your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, document. Travel to Canada. Once you have your COPR, you can travel to Canada and become a permanent resident. It's important to note that each province or territory may have different application procedures and timelines, so it's important to check the specific requirements for the province or territory you are interested in. It's always advisable to check the latest immigration rules and regulations on the official website of Government of Canada for any updates or changes. Please don't forget to subscribe us and like and share our channel. It will motivate us to keep you posted amazing videos and information 24/7. Thank you.